Okay, so before us is a solveusdt chart. I'll be diving straight into the very analysis of this coin with great potential of giving us something above 100%. And I must also say this because I know a lot of you guys are worried about the fact that Bitcoin is dipping and shitcoins aren't picking up. Before, say 2015, 2016, 17 to 2020, once Bitcoin dips, what we experienced was that once Bitcoin dips, the altcoin market rallies. But now looking at the market behavior in year 2025, a whole lot has changed, a whole lot. And now the difference between 2015 in 2025 is because as of 2015, Bitcoin was actually in the hands of retailers like you and I. But now in 2025, Bitcoin is mostly not in the hands of retailers anymore. It's actually in the hands of institutions. And I have been saying this for anyone that cares to listen. Bitcoin now is in the hand of retailers like MicroStrategy, Tesla, and I learned recently that Microsoft is joining the wave and all that because these guys have now come to see the potential in this very crypto coin. As such, they are now using it as a store of value. So if you belong to my blockbusters group, I actually posted something that was 2 days ago. And in that post, MicroStrategy, as of 2 days ago, was already on a profit of 10.5 billion US dollars just for by stockpiling Bitcoin. I think the average buy was around 60 something thousand dollars. So they're already sitting on a profit of $10.5 billion. This is money that they have actually gained by doing nothing, absolutely buying and holding Bitcoin, no paying employee, nothing. Do you understand? So the industries of the future are actually going to redefine things, shift us away from the old way of doing stuff, like the old way of opening gigabyte factories and all of that you know so now people will not need, billionaires of the future will not need to go to do all that heavy lifting. No, they are just simply going to buy crypto coins and hold crypto coins. So that is what we actually see in today's market. So that's why you're not seeing shitcoin, actually picking up, because Bitcoin has been dipping and dipping and dipping from a high of $109,000 to currently, I think it's actually around hovering between 79 $80,000. So please don't be worried when you see stuffs like this. Market behavior has actually changed, but that is should not be enough to dissuade you, from this juicy area. You get so that is it. So don't worry. I think maybe as the price keeps dipping, I think maybe just few retailers that are still hodling will let go of their bag and they move their asset or their capital actually to the shitcoin market. So please don't be worried. Don't be worried. It's just that the market has changed. So you have to move with the changing market. So before USDT chart, so I'll dive straight into the very analysis of this crypto coin. So like I said, it has a potential of moving or giving 100% or more such. Yes, yes, in the medium to long term. So you have to take this analysis so serious, serious, serious. So I'm gonna map out my areas. So this will be my areas. So this will be my area one, then my area two, then my area three. Very important. So this is actually my area three. So after getting this, I could have actually gone down to area four, but let's leave that one for now. I think I'm good with this three. So now after mapping out my areas, so this is my area one, area two, and area three. Let me really color my area three, my area three. So you all can see it so well. So this is my area three. Now, what is price trying to do? Now, if you look at this, this is just this colored area is just my price drop. Yeah, it's my price drop. So I love trapping price, so I can watch to see what price is actually trying to do within range. So this is just like my trading range. Okay, so that is always my first strategy. So this is like my trading range. Let me be sure I got those levels right. Okay, I always love to get my levels right. Yes, so this is okay. So now this is what price is gonna do. Okay, 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 okay. So this is what price is gonna do. Price has moved from this low to this high. Is that okay? Now watch this. Now price has actually, the next thing for price to do, sorry, was actually to come to this point. Okay, so after this point, there is now another rejection. Now the next thing you're gonna see price to is to break out of range. I'm sure you can see the price trajectory. Break out of range, then come into this area, okay, then come back to either here, okay, or here for a retest. For a retest, please mark the zone. After which price will now, come here, consolidate. Very important. Consolidate. After which it will now break out. Okay. Now come back for a retest, and then before you now have that super such. Please mark this trajectory. I know someone can see this and just think it's an hypothetical trajectory, but no, 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 no. It is not hypothetical. This is just a trajectory of price move. So this is what price is gonna do. So you have to mark these areas and levels so well. Maybe not exactly the way I'm pointing it out here, but I just want you to get this. Okay, let me switch to say 2 hours. Or okay, let me go to 2 hours and see if I can really get these levels right. Okay, now look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Okay, so let me do this. Yeah, yeah, this is giving me a good shot. So now this is what price is going to do. So price from this level has actually fulfilled this high. Okay, it has actually come for this high. Then from there it came to a low of $137, and was a lower price was rejected at this point, because this is actually my premium zone, but there will be no point mapping this area again. But let me just get it. Let me just get it. So this is actually my premium zone. Okay, I'm calling this something else. So this is actually my premium zone. Very important. So prices come to this low, has had that rebound. Now this rebound would have actually gotten to this line, to this 0.00231 level, but then it is not a must. Even if it gets close to it, it is still valid. Okay, it is still valid. So after that, price would now have to come. So after that, price will now have to come for this low. Sorry, the way this is being represented. Okay, the way this is being represented, sorry about that. So from here, you're going to see this price you're seeing move is actually going to come to this area, that's 0.00049 or close to this area. Very important. Either it comes to exactly this level, several I've seen it actually come exactly to this level, or it will come close to this level, after which there will be an abrupt rejection. So this rejection is going to see price, coming for this zone. That is why I love mapping out my zone here. It's going to see price come for this zone, after which price will now come either for this level, that's 0.00135, or 0.00088. From there you will now see price going up, and then once price goes above this very level, this my top colored area, that is when you will now say there is a breakout in price, after which, just to validate zone, price will need to come back to zone again to validate zone, after which you will now have the bullish run. So for solve USDT now, for solve USDT, if you're interested in this very crypto coin and stuff, now you can actually plant your entry or wait for price at 0.00046. Okay, 0.0046. So you can actually wait for price at this level. Then after waiting for price at this level, now this can now be your PT1. Your PT1, you can set your PT1 at, so you can actually set your PT1 at 50% mark. Okay. So you can actually set your entry one here, then your entry two can be within, sorry, your PT1 can be at 0.00180, dollars or cent, and your PT2 can be at 0.00252. So if that is where you set your PT, now look at what is going to be a profit potential. Wow, this is enormous. This is enormous. So okay, let's take it lower. Let's take it lower. Let's take it lower. So let's take it lower too. So if you can actually set it here, but that is if you want to go long term, long term, long term, long term. So you can actually, sorry, that's not my level. This is not my level, sorry. So I was actually supposed to take this line from here. Okay. So my 50% level will be around here. Then the other one will be within zone. So now looking at your profit potential, this is actually your profit potential. So your profit potential, your first profit potential is going to be around 239% such. That is if you are entering, or if you're able to enter at 0.0049 level, and your profit potential too will actually be 431% such. So you will see with me the solve USDT is actually a good buy, but note this please, you'll be wrong if you're buying at the current price. So you have to come to 0.0049 to wait for price. Wait for price at 0.0049. Okay, so after that entry, because price is actually going to come down, this price level you're seeing here is actually going to come down to weak. this level, to weak this level. So it's actually going to come down to weak this level, after which there will be an abrupt rejection, which is identified as this. There will be an abrupt rejection, then price will now come back or return to origin or return to the premium level, that is the colored area down, after which it will now go for the higher level, then there will be a breakout, then retest, then a full bullish run. So if you're looking for a coin that is able to give you from 200% to 400% ROI, then solveusdt is actually the coin you've been waiting for. So guys, make a dive, and get into this coin. And if you have not subscribed already, please do well to go hit on the subscribe button. You can see price already is getting, rejected at this level. It's actually going down, 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 down. So it's gonna come down to this level 0.0049 level. So if you've not subscribed, please go ahead to hit the subscribe button in front of you, and not also forgetting to like, to share this video, and to drop your comment in the comment section. Now if there be any coin or stock you have interest in that you want us to analyze or you want to see in the next analysis, please do well to drop it in the comment section, and I will do well to analyze the crypto coin or stock for you. This is what we do. This is what we do. This is what we do. So take advantage of this. Solve USDT is a good buy. 200 to 400% such, and even more if you're a long-term trader. So guys, thanks, and watch out for the next video. Don't forget to stay hooked to the crypto channel. Bye for now.